As the country and entire planet await to turn the page on yet another trip around the sun, fireworks and firecracker hogs cannot wait till the New Year's Eve as they proceed to welcome the New Year several days ahead of schedule. And if you play with fire, you're likely to get burned. Ryan Lesigas on the mounting number of firecracker blast victims as the New Year draws closer.
Several days before the welcoming of the new year, the number of people injured or hurt due to the use of illegal firecrackers continues to rise. Based on data from the Philippine National Police or PNP, the number of recorded firecracker-related injuries has climbed to nearly 50 individuals. More than 300 operations have also been conducted by the PNP, resulting in the arrest of over 20 individuals.
Ang pinaka number one culprit po natin dyan, yung 5-star, yung malaki na 5-star, na kung saan po ang naitala dyan total cost po ay maabot sa 22,481 worth of money. Ang pinakamalaki po dyan ay nangyari sa Region 3 pa rin po ang number 1. At ang sumunod po na culprit dyan na tinatanong nyo, Sir Jun, ay yung Piccolo, yung pop-up. Ito po yung top 3 nila. At yung ang number 2 po natin yung Piccolo.
The PNP has also intensified its monitoring in relation to indiscriminate firing, which typically increases as the new year approaches. In fact, 7 police officers have already been arrested due to indiscriminate firing. Among them is a police master sergeant assigned to the Surigao del Sur PPO. Also arrested were a police senior master sergeant assigned to the Iloilo PPO, a patrolman from the NCRPO Maritime Group, and a police officer from Misamis Oriental. The data covers the period from December 16 to 26. According to PNP spokesperson, Police Brigadier General Randolph Tuanyo, they will not tolerate such acts by their fellow officers, especially since the PNP has strict rules and policies regarding indiscriminate firing.
Sa ngayon po, ongoing investigation sa pagkat ito po ay nangyari kahapon. Ipapatupad po ni General Natates yung kung kanya pong sinabi na pinalabas po sa pamamagitan ng isang memorandum na sa loob ng 36 hours kapag po ay na hindi nabigyan ng solusyon yung pong indiscriminate firing na nangyari na may biktima, tatamaan po yung mga commander, sila po ay marirelieve po.
Meanwhile, 1 death has already been recorded after a victim was hit by a stray bullet. The incident was recorded in the early morning of December 25. The suspect remains at large. Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.